CapCut songs really copyright free. So if you want to use the CapCut music without getting copyrights, then I'll just simply give you the information. So CapCut is a video editing app that allows you to create amazing videos with ease. One of the features that makes CapCut stand out is its comprehensive music library, where you can find thousands of songs and sound effects to add to your videos. But before you use any one of these videos or any one of these songs, you might wonder if they are legal to use. After all, you don't want to get into the trouble for violating any copyright laws. The good news is that most of the songs that you find in the CapCut music library are copyright free. This means that you can use them for your personal or commercial use. You can use these projects without any restrictions or limitations. However, there are some exceptions that you need to be aware of. For example, some songs may have specific terms and conditions that require you to give credit to the original artist or source. You can check these details by tapping on the song and reading the description. Another thing to keep in mind is that CapCut also allows you to upload your own music track from your device or from other sources. So you can open up your CapCut. So this is where you need to be extra careful because not all music tracks are free to use. If you want to use a song that is not from CapCut Music Library, you need to make sure that it is either in the public domain or that you have obtained the proper license or permission from the owner. Otherwise, you may face legal consequences. So if you go with the audio, which is right here on the upper left, then you will have all of these options, right? So you can simply choose the audios because most of the audio under the audio library are copyright free. So you will face consequences for infringing on someone else's rights. To avoid any problems, it is always best to use only music tracks that are clearly labeled as royalty free, no attribution required, or Creative Commons. You can find many websites and platforms that offer such music tracks for free. So that's it. The songs that are available on CapCut are mostly copyright free, but you need to check the details and terms of each song before using it. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.